Hola familia medicina, Marlia here. A lot of you asked me for this, so here I am with more guitar tutorials. Do you want to learn how to play more of your favorite medicine songs on guitar? Join me on Tuesday, 22nd of February for a live tutorial to break down each song together with your guitar hands-on to teach you how to use right-hand finger picking and strumming techniques, practice changing chords on the left hand on the beat, giving you extra tips on how to make your playing easier and effortless. It will take some practice and time dedication for you if you're an absolute beginner on guitar, and for you that you are already sharing the songs in a circle or a cacao ceremony, you can take your playing to the next level. I'd love to bring the family together in this way. You can ask your questions live, suggest more songs, and we get to meet each other from all over the world to share our spirit and hopefully do another tutorial with more medicine songs next month. So register by clicking below to receive my Zoom link or the replay link if you can't be there live. And see you on the 22nd.